Hey, what's going on, guys? So in today's video, I am going to show you how do you change Apple ID without losing data. Now, this is going to be quick and easy, so let's start. So the first thing that you need to do is to make sure that you back up your device. So to do this, go to Settings, tap on your name on the top, and tap on iCloud. Now from here, tap on iCloud Backup and make sure iCloud Backup is turned on. Now after that, tap on Backup Now. Now after you've done that, you can go back and go to your web browser and go to appleid.apple.com. So it is going to take you to Apple ID sign in page. Now once you're in here, tap on Apple ID and tap on New Apple ID. So here it is important to take note that you must use an Apple ID that is not linked to any Apple devices. So that means that you have to use a fresh email for this new Apple ID. Now when you got that, type in your new Apple ID and follow the prompt. Now, once you're done with that, you can go back and go to Settings, tap your name on the top, scroll down and tap on Sign Out. Now, if you cannot sign out or if sign out is grayed out, you can go back and turn off screen time. So after that, tap on Sign In again and use the new Apple ID that you created. Now, this is all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.